How to reactivate your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you or explain you on how you can reactivate your Facebook account. Now basically reactivating your Facebook account is pretty simple. All you have to do is you'll have to head into the login page of Facebook, and there you want to enter in your email and password, and you'll be able to get in back easily once you cancel the deletion. However, if you deleted your account instead of deactivating and it has crossed the 30 days mark, you won't be able to get back to your account whatsoever. Now, as you know, while deleting, Facebook asks you that you want to confirm you're deleting your account, and if it passes the 30 days mark, your account will be deleted permanently from the servers as well. So if you have crossed the 30 days mark after deleting your account, you won't be able to reactivate your account. However, if it hasn't crossed the 30 days mark, or if you just deactivated your account, you can simply open up Facebook. Once you open up Facebook, simply tap on login option, and then what you want to do is you want to enter in your login credentials, your email, your password, and simply tap on login, and you'll be able to access to your account easily. However, if you can't access the email or password, what you can do is you can simply tap on forgotten password if you have forgotten your password, and then you'll be able to get back to your account as well. So this way you can reactivate your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.